If you're in presenter view, you also have a question and answer feature that you can allow the audience to answer questions, or you could even use it for a poll. So I'm going to click down the drop down arrow and go to presenter view. And here I am. Here's my slide that everyone else sees, and here's my presenter view. I'm going to go to audience tools, and since I have asked it a question before, I'm going to say continue recent. If I did not, I would say start new. So I'm just going to continue recent and say continue. And it immediately gives me a link that I can maybe copy and paste if I'm online with them. It puts a toolbar above the slide that lets them know what the questions are. If nothing else, they can certainly type it in, although that's difficult. You might want to give it to them in a chat or give it to them in a link on the agenda or something like that. So then when somebody puts a question in, let me click on this, and they come over to ask a question. And you can see the questions that were asked before. So I'm going to ask a different question. I'll ask this one anonymously so you can see what it looks like, and I'm going to submit it. So now there are two questions submitted to the presenter. Where'd you get that car? How much did that beautiful pink car cost? And maybe I don't think this is a good idea. So when I go back over to my presenter tools and my presentation, here's my presentation. My presenter tools tell me what the questions are. So I can actually present that on the slide. I can say present. Where did you get that beautiful car? And then I can answer the question. If I don't want to answer questions anymore, I can cut them off. If you want to use it as a poll, then you can ask the question. You could go over here and ask a question, and the people that you asked the question to could vote thumbs up or thumbs down.